Hey guys, Dalton here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to walk through a 2024 Grey Wolf Black Label 24 JSBL. This camper is 27 feet 3 inches long, has an exterior height of 10 feet 6 inches, a dry weight of 4,443 pounds, and a gross vehicle weight of 470 pounds, giving you a cargo capacity of 3,027 pounds. Awesome little camper here by Cherokee. Let's take a walk around this beautiful camper and see what all it has to offer. Hey guys, here we are in front of the 2024 Cherokee 24 JSBL. Of course, this is a black label camper, so you're going to have that awesome fiberglass on the outside with your frameless windows. You'll still have your 2x4 construction inside of here. Beautiful camper here by Cherokee though. Let's take a walk around it. 27 feet total in length, 3 inches extra to spare, giving you just a little bit of extra playroom there. But you do have a little bit of pass-through storage here and giving you a great look at that wood construction all the way through, carpet underbelly here. But you do have, of course, your full enclosed heated underbelly construction there. With your stabilizing jacks, you do have those Lippert quick drop system that they went to in 2023 and 2024 already installed. Of course, you can upgrade those to power stabilizer jacks. One thing you will notice, we did bring this in from the snow outside, so you do have your drip rails there already in there, allowing that water to get nice and away from the camper, and of course keep you nice and dry. So it's going to push that water away from your door, away from your awning. But awesome little setup there. Speaking of the awning, you do have a power awning with your nice blue LED strip, and of course black glass doors all the way around, full black glass door with that Grey Wolf inlay there and a nice little window that you can't see because of all that awesome tint. Again, under your awning, blue LED light, of course, 2 outside speakers, nice little TV hookup right down here, right in front of your window. So make sure when you're going to open your windows that open from the bottom, that you're don't have your TV hooked up, so you're not hitting that. But of course, TV hookup, cable outside, and of course your nice little plug-in. Being a black label, you're going to get a couple extra features on the outside. Your awesome little black label light. There is a couple little features. It is right back here. It's going to, when in the dark, you're going to be able to see it, but it's going to display a nice little black label look there, or light inlay on the floor. It's going to say black label. Of course, you get that awesome little graphics package, making it nice and easy to display. Right here on the outside of your awning, you do have yourself an awesome little outside kitchen. You do have yourself a full 110 fruit refrigerator for all your outside beverages, nice Kool-Aid packs and everything. A nice little ice maker for you to fill up all your beverages and everything. Outside shower to clean all your fish, and of course, a nice little cooktop to be able to cook everything on. Make sure you cook your bacon and eggs on the outside of the camper here. Nice little dog hookup out here, so that way you can hook your pooch up, make sure he doesn't run away. If he's big like my pooch, he'll try to drag the whole camper. On the back end of your camper here, you do have a flip down storage rack, which does hold your spare tire while you're going down the road. Being that it is a Cherokee, you're going to have your backup camera already hooked up and ready to rock and roll. It's going to come with its own nice little screen. Actually, excuse me, it's not going to come with a screen. It's going to be able to hook up to your phone while you're driving down the road, so you can keep your phone up on the dash there and it'll be hooked up. But already backup camera installed, so you don't have to buy one from Furion or anything like that. And make sure you're checking out our Buckeye Service Guarantee. If you're from the state of Ohio, you're foolish not to buy from us. 10% off in the parts store, free loaner RV if your camper's in for service, and of course, free Ohio delivery. Let's go check out the inside of this camper. So as soon as you walk in the 24 JSBL, you're going to notice that you don't have a separation between the living room and the bedroom. Yep, fuck you. So as soon as you walk in the 24 JSBL, of course, you're going to walk directly into the living room with your nice little folding couch here. We're going to talk about the bedroom here, though. Do you have yourself a full-size queen bed? It does lift up, giving you a little bit of storage underneath. And, of course, access to that outside storage as well. But, of course, storage to your underneath your bed. Full-size queen bed here with storage on each side. Nice, strong magnets keeping that closed. But of course, hanging racks on each side. Nice little mirror to make sure you look good. And of course, storage above the bed with hinges that almost swing all the way around. Above your queen size bed. And of course, if you do like privacy, you have yourself a nice curtain that slides all the way around, separating your queen size bed from the rest of your living room. Speaking of the living room, you do have yourself a nice couch here that does fold out like a futon, giving yourself a nice little bit of extra sleeping room for all your guests and everything while you're camping. Directly in front of your couch, you do have your kitchen sink here, or kitchen area, if you will. Being that it is a black label, you get solid surface countertops and, of course, a nice little single basin stainless steel black sink. A couple other upgrades with that. You do have your fancy cleaning cup cleaning station, is what I'm going to call that. I've never actually had one of these in my house or anything. It looks really cool, and I kind of want to play with it, but I'm not going to. Awesome little sink or faucet here. Cutting board. This one's for display. You'll actually get this one that comes with it here. Lots of different drop-ins in there. This thing's way fancier than the one I have in my house. Soap dispenser back here, or if you want to use it for other things, you can. But awesome little sink with lots of different drop-ins. 3-burner cooktop here. You don't get an oven in this one. It actually has a nice little convection microwave, so that way you can cook down there. Burn your grilled cheese up here. Awesome little setup, and lots of storage in this one. Man, really strong magnets inside of this kitchen. And those strong magnets come in handy. They do put them in there for a reason, so that way while you're driving down the road, all your stuff doesn't come flying out of there. Not weak, just really strong magnets. Gotta love it. Directly beside there, or across from there, excuse me, you do have yourself a nice little 4-person dinette. This does fold down into a nice bed as well, so if you want to use it for extra sleeping. But awesome little dinette here. And of course, lots of storage above there as well. Right beside your storage is your head unit for your radio. This will control your inside and outside speakers. And directly above that is your control for your furnace and your air conditioner. This unit does have a 13.5 BTU air conditioner on the top that's ducted all the way throughout the camper. Directly beside me here, as I move back throughout the camper, is your nice black glass 12-volt refrigerator for lots of storage for all of your cooking needs. Let's check out this bathroom. Here in the bathroom, you do have yourself a plastic toilet in the Cherokee. Awesome little setup there, so you got lots of space, so that way you're nice and private in here. Awesome little shower with the tub, but inside this shower, being a black label, you do have yourself an awesome little shower caddy and shower hose and everything, giving yourself a full rainfall experience while you're showering in there. Directly across from there, you do have your hookup and everything for your on-demand shower system in the 2024s. Awesome little unique shower, or not shower head, sink there, shower or sink basin, excuse me. Directly above that is your medicine cabinet. You do have a little bit of storage there, but directly beside that, we do have the door open to see all that nice deep storage in there for all your linens and everything. Lots of storage in this bathroom, nice big bathroom. And like I said, there is a mirror right there, so you can do yourself a nice little choir movement while you're singing Bohemian Rhapsody while you're brushing your teeth and everything. Awesome little bathroom, lots of storage, dual mirrors, so you can sing Bohemian Rhapsody while you're getting dressed for date night. Again, my name here is Dalton. This has been my walkthrough of the 24 JSBL here at RV Wholesalers. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you.